Welcome back everyone to another tutorial on the Foxtecc YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of checking your Apple Watch by its serial number. This can provide you with valuable information such as the coverage, date of purchase, and the exact type of your watch. Let's dive in and go through the steps together. First, let's find the serial number on your Apple Watch. To do this, start at your Apple Watch's clock face. Press the digital crown button to access the app screen. Once you're on the app screen, tap on the Settings app. In the Settings menu, navigate to General and then select About. Here you'll find various details about your Apple Watch, including the serial number. If needed, use the crown button to scroll down until you locate the serial number. Once you've found it, you can exit by pressing the crown button again to return to the app screen, or press it twice to go back to the clock face. Now that you have your Apple Watch's serial number, you can use it to get more detailed information about your device. Open your web browser and go to Google. Type in Apple serial number check to find a suitable website where you can enter your serial number. One of the top results should lead you to Apple's official serial number checker or another reliable site that provides the information you need. Once on the website, enter your Apple Watch's serial number into the provided field and submit it. The site will then display various details about your watch, such as its warranty coverage, the date of purchase, and the specific model. This can be particularly useful if you're verifying the authenticity of a secondhand watch or checking your warranty status. By following these steps, you can easily check your Apple Watch by its serial number and gain valuable insights into its details. This process ensures you have all the necessary information about your device, whether for personal use or resale purposes. Thank you for watching this video on Foxtecc. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you.